presentation about PBL ISO 14443 RFID card fabrication type B. Okay, next slide. Previously, I will introduce my team. My name is Philip Ramos Manjunta and my partner Sebastian Faris Aroba, Fazli Amri, Yuda Adiputra, and Zaki Arapib. Okay, next. Okay, this is the list of contents. Number 1, RFID card. What is RFID? This section explains the basic concept of radio frequency identification, its purpose, and its applications in everyday life. RFID card is a technology that uses radio waves to identify and track objects automatically without direct contact. Which slide this explained by me. Number 2, why use RFID 14443? This section discuss the reason for using ISO or EAC 14443 RFID technology. It highlights its high security, fast communication speed, reliability, and common use in applications such as ID cards, passport, access control system, and banking cards, which explained by me. Number 3, recruitment. This section describes the requirements needed for RFID card fabrication. It includes the necessary hardware, software, material, specification, and standard required to ensure successful product and operation of the RFID card, explained by Sebastian Faris. Number 4, RFID structure. The section the explain internal the internal structure of an RFID card, including its main components such as the antenna, integrated circuit or chip, card substrate, and protective layers. It also describes how these components work together to enable wireless communications, explained by Sebastian. How RFID card works. This section explained the working principle of the RFID card technology. It describes how the RFID readers transmit radio frequency signal, how the RFID card take receive energy and data, and how information the exchange between the card and the reader, explained by Fazli. Number 6, flowchart. The section presents the workflow of the RFID card fabrication process, explained by Yuda Diputra. Number 7, timeline. This section outlines the project schedule and key middle. It shows the planned duration of each activity, helping to monitor progress and ensure that the project is complete on time, explained by Fazli. Number 8, material and tools. This section introduces the material and tools used during RFID card fabrications. It includes raw materials such as PVC sheet, RFID card chip, and antennas, as well as equipment used for printing, laminations, testing, and quality inspections, explained by Zaki. Okay, next slide. What is RFID? ISO 14443 RFID card type B covers the process of manufacturing RFID cards that comply with the ISO or IEC 14443 type B international standard. This card operates at a frequency of 13.56 MHz and are typically used for applications that require a high level of security, such as ID cards, passport, and bank cards. Okay, next, why use RFID card type B? Number one, standard. Number one, standard, standard flows the ISO or IC EAC 11444 international standard. Frequency operates at 13.56 MHz. Security provides high security with authentics and features data speed support data transfer rates of up to 84 846.5 Gbps. Okay, next slide. Equipment ISO 14443 RFID card type B. Number one, operating distance typically less than 10 centimeters. Number two, frequency operasi 31.56 MHz. Number three, PCD, proximity coupling device or reader. Number four, AX 10% amplitude shifting. Number five, PECC is the RFID card 6. It is the RFID card 6 itself. 7, BPKS binary phase shifting. 8, transfer rate bit rate 106 Gbps up to 887.5 Gbps. Okay, next slide. Okay, this is slide explained by Yuda.
This picture explains the internal structure of RFID card or tag. An RFID card consists of several layers. The first encasement is protective layer that protects the card for outer and number second face itu front surface of the card for printing or labeling, and the third chip. This is for storage data and process information. And the fourth, this is antenna. This is for send and receive radio signal from the RFID reader. And the five, substrate. This is for base material that support the component. And the six, adhesive. This is a glue layer used to hold all parts together. The most important part are the chip and the antenna because they enable communication between the card and the reader. How RFID work? The RFID process start when the reader send radio wave through the antenna. When the card is brought close to the reader, the chip inside the card becomes active. The card then send it is storage data back to reader, and the system process the information for identification or access control.
hot press machine top left function used to apply heat pressure to bond a steady card layer together, ensuring a strong and durable card structure. 2. Tweezer top center left function used to pick up and position small components such as the RFID chip for antenna with high precision during assembly. 3. Epoxy resin and hardening. Resin used as and protective coating to bond component during electrical connection. Zinc used to laminate zinc smooth zinc.
Bang Yud, PVC card used as the main body of the RFID card to protect the internal chip and antenna while providing durability. Push button. It's used to a manual input device, allow user to active specific function or command. 12-volt 5A power supply. It's used to convert as power to 12 DC power. Supplies electrical power to the entire system. Arduino Uno is the main controller, process input and control connected device such as display, locks, and sensor. DC or TV converter is regulates and adjusts voltage or current levels, provide a stable power output for electronic components. ESP32, a microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enables wireless communication and IoT connectivity. Laminating machine is used to laminate and seal RFID cards to protect the card and improve its durability. 3D printing filament is raw material used in 3D printing, used to manufacture custom enclosure, holder, or mechanical part for the project. Next. Copper wire. It's used as the main of material for RFID antenna. Functions to conduct electromagnetic signal between the RFID card and the reader. Jumper cable is used to connect electronic component during circuit assembly and testing. Buzzer. Its function is an audio indicator or alarm. It will produce a sound when access is granted. Prototype board is used as a platform for mounting and soldering electronic components. 600 lbs magnetic lock is function to electromagnetic door lock. Locks when electrical power is supplied and unlock when the power is removed. CX2 I2C LCD display. It used to display system information, status, message, or user data. Next slide. Flowchart. Start is the beginning of manufacturing process. Top glove is apply protective glove top resin over the chip. Oven is cure and harden the resin using heat. Attach attach the chip to the substrate. UV resin application. We will apply UV resin for bonding and protection. UV machine to cure the UV resin using ultraviolet light. COB cutting. Separate or cut the chip on board. Winding machine process is wind copper wire to form the RFID antenna. Soldering COB and to antenna process. Disconnect to COB module to the antenna through soldering. PVC pressing process. Bond the PVC layers using heat and pressure. RFID card lamination is to protect internal component and improve durability. Finish the RFID card is complete and ready for use. Next will be to Zakir Afif.
Our timeline. First of all, identify and analyze project proposal. Person in charge by Philip Ramon Simanjunta has finished this week. And next, identify the needs and targets of user of customer. Person in charge by Yuda Adiputra has finished the second week. To the literature by Sebastian Faris and idea development by Fazli Amri. And next, preparing the concept and design, identify potential constraint by M. Zakir Afif, and determining possible solution proposal by Sebastian Faris. Has finished the week 6. And creating process risk mitigation of FMEO by Yuda Adiputra, and determining alternative solution by Philip Ramon, and concept and initial design by Philip Ramon, review design Sebastian Faris, and last, finalizing the design and project implementation plan PIP by M. Zakir Afif. Okay, next one. Next slide. That's all from our group, and thank you.